Hi guys, this is gsno.com and I'm here with a freshly unveiled Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in the cool Bora purple hue. So aside from this hue, you can actually customize it using the whole bespoke program and create your own version of the device, your own color, and your combination of frame color, also back color, and well, accents, which is pretty cool. So your phone will differ from everybody else's. Now it's a foldable phone with a 6.7-inch screen, the main one, and Samsung claims that the crease is better hidden now. Well, it actually is, at least when it's open. When you start to slightly fold it, you'll notice that it's just as visible as the predecessors. It has IPX8 certification for water and dust proofing, only slightly. You cannot dunk it in the water, that's for sure. You can see here the cover screen. It's a 1.9-inch AMOLED, which has gained extra functions. Now you can see some like the music player. There are also the voice recorder, the timer, calendar, and extra widgets. For example, we have the weather here, calendar, pedometer, people to call, and some scenes which are taken from SmartThings, and apparently will also let you control your TV set, control your robot vacuum cleaner, and your cooker and your fridge. You can even find out that there's too little water or eggs left in the fridge. That's just one example. Now inside this phone we have the brand new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which offers a 10% bump in performance from the predecessor, and also 30% better power management. There's 8 gigs of RAM and up to half a terabyte of storage. This 6.7-inch screen provides you with Full HD Plus resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate, which is good for gaming. And the other one, as I mentioned, is a 1.9-inch screen. Camera-wise, there are two 12-megapixel cameras here, main one and ultra-wide one. And up front, cut in the screen, you can find the selfie camera right here. As you can see, the punch hole remains about the same size as the predecessors. Well, other things we're mentioning, there's a 3700 mAh battery inside, and you also have that flex mode, which lets you do this. You can put the phone here with a timer on a wall, you'll take your picture next to a monument. That's just one example. If you press this button, you have the cover screen, and you can use the main camera to take selfies of a higher quality. And the list goes on. So for example, if you're in the web browser, you can do the split screen thing, the laptop thing. You have the keyboard at the bottom, and you have the browser at the top side. The gallery also lets you do something like this. You go here, and you have the options for the photo at the bottom and the photo itself at the top. Here you can see some of the other new features. Actually, they're hosted here. There's the hands-free thing, there's the bird's eye view, there's also the multi-angle and the cover screen. This is the hands-free mode. So basically, what this video shows you is that you're able to do more things without having to use the phone and holding it and gripping it the whole time. You can also take photos with the flex mode, and it also has improved nightography. It takes better night shots compared to the predecessor, which was also a big focus for the Galaxy S22 series. Okay, so that's about it. A bunch of nice new colors, expanding functionality of the external screen, a better build, a more discreet hinge, and well-hidden crease. Those are some of the novelties of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Hopefully the price will go down as fast as the predecessor. We'll be back with more in a review soon. Goodbye.